Hi, my name is Petra Simonis. Welcome to the course Troubleshooting Spring Boot 2. I've been working as a software developer since 2003 in various fields like audio and video retrieval, telecommunication, gear services, and healthcare. As a generalist, I realized software projects in several programming languages like C++, Java, and C# for both Windows and Linux platforms. This course consists of a complete overview of how a Spring Boot 2 application can be improved if it comes to severe problems. In Section 1, I will show you how to use the Spring Boot 2 sub-project actuator in your production environment. There are several moving parts of the actuator, like auto-configuration or custom health checks. In Section 2, you will learn how to troubleshoot with the logging framework Log4j. Log4j is a very popular logging framework, and you will see how to change and manipulate granular log levels in order to control the debugging process. In Section 3, you will see how to use the build tools Maven and Gradle for troubleshooting. In Section 4, you will work with the debuggers of Eclipse and IntelliJ to search for errors and exception situations. Finally, in the last section, we learn the exception handling strategy of Spring Boot framework that applies to Spring Boot in a seamless fashion. We examine and work with common exception situations and conditions that occur with popular modules of Spring. These are the prerequisites you need to reconstruct the examples given in this tutorial. You need the Java SDK from the version 8 together with an IDE. This can be Eclipse or NetBeans or the Spring Tool Suite or even IntelliJ. And you should also be familiar with the build tools Maven or Gradle. At the end of this course, you will be able to use the Spring Boot actuator to monitor and debug your application. The logging framework Log4j will monitor your application health as well as to manipulate the log levels of the application. You will resolve build-related problems that can occur within a Spring Boot application while working with Maven and Gradle. You will learn how to use the different IDE debuggers of Eclipse and IntelliJ and learn exception handling techniques in a Spring Boot application. And you will see some common exceptions that can occur in an application. Let's get started.